Alright, this video is going to walk you through real quick how to solve a geometric word problem. Let's get started by the context first. The amount of minutes that Chastity has been watching Netflix has been growing from week to week. 1 week after she started this pattern, she watched 90 minutes. 2 weeks after, she watched 270 minutes. And 3 weeks after, she watched 810 minutes. Now notice these numbers, how it's growing. It was from 90 to 270, and then from 270 to 810. That number that it's going up by is not a constant rate. So therefore, we know this is not an arithmetic sequence. So therefore, if we're going to test out and see if it's something else, we need to first of all see if it's geometric by checking out the multiplier. So let's try to see if we can do that first. The multiplier is found by doing next divided by previous. So if we take two terms of the sequence, 270 minutes and then the one right before it, 90, take 270 divided by 90 and you get 3. If you also get, like you see here, and then next, if you take 810 divided by 270, you also get 3. So therefore, since the two places in the sequence have the exact same multiplier, then I can verify that this is geometric. Now, since it's geometric, we know that the rate of change is not going to be consistent, it's going to be changing. Next, let's try to match up the correct table with the right data that's being mentioned in this problem. So in this problem, it says that your first week was 90 minutes. Well, the first week of 90 minutes is only going to happen in this sequence right here. It does not happen here, and it does not happen here. So I know this is the right table. Now, if that's the right table, then we'll assume that that 30 is also the correct answer, and that does make sense, because if you're multiplying by 3 going forward, you get 270. If you take 90 divided by 3, you get 90 divided by 3, you get 30. So this is the correct table. Now that I know that, I have my starting value and I have my multiplier. Now I can write my equation. So it's going to be T of n equals, what am I starting at? I'm starting at 30. What am I doing to it? I'm multiplying it by 3. And when you do that a bunch of times in a row, it's to the power of n. That's basically it, and hopefully this video helps.